Neova. This unique electronic ring identifies the user's gestures and turns them into music. This is a MIDI controller to make a whole new use of your sound creativity. Neova consists of two elements: the electronic ring, which is used to capture movements, and a network hub connected to the computer via USB. The user's gestures are recorded using 9 sensors integrated in the ring. In this case, each movement can be individually configured according to the needs and imagination of the owner. The cost of this electronic music assistant is $256. Genie. Israeli developers have launched a device that provides effective control over a wide range of household appliances from anywhere in the world. The Genie system includes infrared sensors, a hub that acts as a device manager, and an application for the smartphone. The device allows you to configure the system and perform the functions of a remote control. The device provides a high level of safety in the home. The user can check the alarm status at any time, as well as turn the light or TV on and off, as if it were present. In addition, the Genie allows you to turn on your heating or air conditioning system before you get home. The device can turn off the watering system in the backyard as well. The device's sensors transmit and receive data using an infrared or Bluetooth signal. They operate on batteries that last approximately 2 years, and the Genie can be purchased for $90. Astro. This foldable tool has the standard size of a ukulele neck and cover, so it's easy to play with. This comfortable size was achieved thanks to the articulated neck mechanism, which can be folded in half without loosening the strings, and unfolded in exactly the same way. The platform resembles some folding wings pressed against the main part, and also very compact when folded. Astro can be easily carried in the bottle compartment of any backpack, jacket pocket, or other clothing. When folded, the dimensions of the instrument are 29 by 10 by 6 centimeters. The ukulele changes in seconds to be ready to play and does not need to be adjusted again. This compact musical instrument will cost $244. TicPods Free. These compact-sized Bluetooth headsets are waterproof and ergonomic in design, providing comfort and excellent sound. The design of the headphones resembles that of a classic headset, and the replaceable silicone accessories ensure good sound insulation, allowing the headphones to stay in place even when running. TicPods Free has a touchpad that lets you answer calls and control playback with gestures. The device connects instantly when it's turned on and automatically stops playback if you take them out of your ears. The headphones work perfectly with iOS and Android, automatically connecting to your smartphone and charging in the case that comes with the kit. You can buy this inexpensive analog of the Apple AirPods for $80. Free. This new data entry tool allows you to write on almost any surface, working in conjunction with the most popular mobile devices using the Bluetooth module. All movements of the electronic pen are transferred to the screen of the smartphone or computer in real time. The developers have created something ergonomic, measuring 142 by 18 by 8.5 millimeters with a weight of only 30 grams. On the surface, there's a right mouse button, an audio input, a charging port, and a touch-sensitive OLED display, greatly extending the functionality of Free. This smart pen can be used as a wireless mouse, and with its help, the owner can make calls, write and send messages without unlocking the smartphone, and manage other features. The built-in battery provides up to a week of battery life, and charging takes only an hour. The device is available in black, graphite, silver, and gold, and Free's minimum cost is $128. Hololens. Here we have a large box where you can project a 3D image. The transformation of two-dimensional digital content into a three-dimensional hologram can be enjoyed by people of any age, and not just by video game lovers. The 3D image can be used for different purposes, for example for presentations or video conferences. The holeless glass cover was designed to reflect a portion of the light and obtain an optimum product quality design. The device has a drawer with internal connectors, side USB ports allow multiple users to reload their gadgets, and the integrated HD mini-directional speakers are synchronized with the devices that connect to Holeless. To date, the cost of this three-dimensional screen is $662. Carl. This robot takes care of the conditions of the house and guarantees its protection. Carl is equipped with a set of sensors that allow it to hear, see, and even smell what's happening around it. Therefore, the robot senses any changes in the air, such as the presence of hazardous and noxious substances or allergens, and also monitors the noise level. When no one's home, Carl moves and immediately notifies the user when it notices something strange. The robot can recognize fire, leaks in the water pipes, or even the appearance of an intruder in the house. In addition, the user can remotely control the device to view their home from a distance. Carl can be controlled using a voice wizard, but this is not mandatory. The robot can be controlled with a few clicks on the device's touchscreen or via the smartphone, and since this device is under development, its cost is unknown. Beacon. The gadget is used to ensure user safety. Beacon is a light and compact flashlight with a high level of brightness. The device can be carried everywhere as it weighs no more than 24 grams. It can be installed on clothing or, for example, on the user's bicycle. Beacon has two lighting modes, which are used depending on the situation and the time of day. The maximum range of visibility with the flashlight is almost 1,000 meters, and the viewing angle is 120 degrees. The built-in USB connector allows the device to be recharged quickly and conveniently. The Beacon recharge guarantees 20 hours of operation, and the price of this device is $12. Pilot. Waverly Labs has developed a device that allows people who speak different languages to communicate perfectly without the help of translators or dictionaries. This special technology allows you to connect up to 8 people for one conversation. Thanks to the Pilot headset, people can speak to each other for free and freely in French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and English. You can also download other languages if necessary. The technology of this device that translates a foreign language into the user's preferred language is based on automatic learning and a statistically based method of interpretation. The program accesses and analyzes huge amounts of data to understand the information in real time. The gadget requires an internet connection, but Waverly Labs also has an offline version. Currently, Pilot translation headphones can be purchased for $249. Breeze. This mask provides filtration of particles that are harmful or even dangerous. Breeze kills various bacteria in the air, allowing you to breathe comfortably in your daily life. The gadget is equipped with a fan that distributes fresh air to make breathing easier. And in addition, Breeze has an intelligent training program that can regulate airflow depending on the frequency and the depth of breathing. This system provides a regular flow of fresh, dry air. The unique transparent mask design, intelligent built-in ventilator, and effective filter ensure optimal breathing comfort and freshness. Breeze can be bought for $105. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy, and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.